How good does one need to be with data structures and algorithms in order to become a good data engineer? Or isn't that how to look at it? Great initiative. Thanks a lot. Generally, I think data structures in terms of like learning learning how to work with Parquet files, learning how to work with CSV files, learning how to work with JSON data. JSON is very, very important. These things are very, very important to get behind and to learn to use. Actually, the machine learning algorithms, I always feel like this is nothing that a data engineer should focus on. There are data scientists for that job. Data scientists can do that 10 times better usually. It's these two things, data science and engineering, are so large, these fields. It's hard to be good in both, or it's almost impossible to be good in both. So I would always, as an engineer, I don't think you have to know the algorithms. I know there are some jobs where you need to do it, but it's like only if you're really interested in it.